Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew, Season 2. This is Episode 10, and in this episode we're going to answer the question, what is the rough ER? So does anybody know what the rough ER is? Anybody want to take a guess? Come on, anybody? Anybody? Anybody want to take a guess? Come on, want to take a stab at it? Come on. Anybody? Anybody? Alright, let me go ahead and answer the question for you. So, what is the rough ER? Well, the rough ER is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. In other words, the letters ER stand for endoplasmic reticulum and not emergency room, at least not in this case. So, what is the rough ER? Let's clarify that a little bit more. Well, the rough ER is a network of membranes inside a cell, that being eukaryotic cells, that plays the central role in the synthesis of proteins. Remember, synthesis means to make. So, the rough ER has a central role. That means the important role, so to speak, right at the center of things in making proteins for the body. Now, not only that, but proteins and other molecules actually move through it, so it's a passageway as well. Now, if you remember from our previous video, we talked about ribosomes, which remember we talked about how ribosomes, they make proteins, right? Remember how we talked about there was two types, the fixed and free ribosomes? Well, fixed ribosomes find their home, so to speak, in and on the rough ER. Pretty cool. Now, in fact, it is because of the ribosomes on the rough ER that it gets its rough appearance, hence the name. It's called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's move to our fun science fact of the day. It should get you pretty square and settled. You'll catch the pun in just a moment, I hope. All right, get this. The pupil of an octopus's eye is rectangular. You didn't hear me wrong. You heard me right. The pupil of an octopus's eye is rectangular. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question at the end of the video. Take care, have a nice day, and enjoy the wonders of science. Goodbye.